Hi all. In previous videos, we discussed about definition of matrices, different types of matrices, operations on matrices, and some of the properties and problems. Today, we will discuss about properties of matrix multiplication and how to find the transpose of a matrix and some of the properties. Properties of multiplication of matrices. In last video, we saw how to multiply two matrices. What are the conditions to find the multiplication of two matrices A and B? Today, we will discuss some of the properties. First one, the associative law. For any three matrices A, B and C, we have AB into C is same as A into BC. Whenever both sides of the equality are defined. That is, sometimes we cannot multiply two matrices A and B. That is, when the columns of A, the number of column of A is not equal to number of row of B, then we cannot find AB. That is, we cannot find the product of AB. So, to avoid that condition, this line is added. Whenever both sides of the equality are defined. That is, we choose three matrices A, B and C such that we can calculate this LHS and RHS. So, it's given that here the bracket is not an important. The multiplying A with B first, then multiplying that answer with C gives the same answer. First we multiply BC and multiply A with that answer. So both give same answer. Second one, the distributive law. For three matrices A, B and C, A into B plus C is same as AB plus AC. Also, A plus B into C is same as AC plus BC. Whenever both sides of the equality are defined, that is, we choose ABC such that we can find A into B plus C, AB, AC like that. That is, the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Then only we can multiply that matrices. So, whenever both the sides of equality are defined, then this equality will hold. The existence of multiplicative identity. For every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of the same order such that IA is same as AI, which gives the same matrix A. Here is an example. Three matrices A, B, C are given. We need to find A into BC, AB into C and show that AB into C is same as A into BC. For that, first we can find AB into C. To find AB into C, first we need to find the product of two matrices A and B. Here, A has 3 columns and B has 3 rows. So, we can multiply A with B. So, in previous video, we discussed how to multiply two matrices. So, in that way, we multiply these two matrices. To get the product matrix AB, first we need to multiply first row with the first column of B element wise. That's 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 gives this number. Next, first row with the second column gives this. Second row with the first column, that is 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1 gives this. Second row with the second column gives this number, 2 into 3 plus 0 into 2 plus 3 into 4. Next, third row with the first column gives this number. Third row with the second column gives this number. Hence, the product of two matrix A and B is a 3 by 2 matrix. So, this is the 3 by 2 matrix. Next, we can find AB into C. So, the product matrix AB is this. So, we write this AB. Now, C matrix given. It's a 2 by 4 matrix. So, we need to multiply AB matrix with C. Here also we will get this matrix. First row, first column of C gives 4. First row, second column. First row, third column. Like that, we will get this row. Similarly, second row, first column gives 35. That is minus 1 into 1 plus 18 into 2 gives 35. Second row, second column gives minus 2. Second row, third column gives minus 39. Second row, last column, fourth column gives 22. Similarly, we need to multiply third row with each column and we will get the third row here. So, we get AB into C. AB into C. This is the matrix. A 3 by 4 matrix. Now we can find A into BC. To find A into BC, first we need to find BC. B matrix given, C matrix also given. So taking the product, we will get this matrix. So here, this is the product of these two matrices. Now, A into BC will give this matrix. A matrix given, BC matrix. This is the BC matrix. So here also by multiplying row of A with column of BC element wise and taking the sum, we will get each of the elements in this matrix. So here AB into C is this matrix and A into BC is this matrix. Check whether these two are same. Yes. So, gives that AB into C is same as A into BC. Here is another problem. Three matrices A, B, C are given. We need to calculate AC, BC, A plus B into C. Then we need to verify A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. For that, first we can find A plus B. Here, two matrices A and B have same order. So we can add these matrices. So A plus B, 0 plus 0 gives 0, 6 plus 1 gives 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Similarly, element-wise addition gives this matrix. Now, A plus B into C, that is A plus B matrix. This is the sum of two matrices A and B. Now, we need to multiply that matrix with the C matrix. C matrix is a 3 by 1 matrix. So, here multiplying first row with the first column. 0 into 2 plus 7 into minus 2 plus 8 into 3 gives 10. second row with the first column. Minus 5 into 2 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 10 into 3 gives 20. Third row with the first column. 8 into 2 plus minus 6 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3 gives 28. So this is the answer. A plus B into C. This is the matrix. Now we can find AC. AC. A matrix given, C matrix given. A has 3 column, C has 3 row. So we can multiply A and B. Here also multiplying first row with this column gives 9. Second row with this column gives 12. Third row with this column gives 30. Now BC. B matrix given, C matrix given. Finding the product, we will get this 3 by 1 matrix. So AC given, BC given, A plus B into C. Also we get that. AC, BC, A plus B into C. Now we can find AC plus BC. So adding these two matrices, both have same order, 3 by 1. So adding this, we get a 3 by 1 matrix. Now check whether A plus B into C and AC plus B, BC same. Yes, both are same matrix. So we can write A plus B into C is same as AC plus BC. Now we can discuss how to find transpose of a matrix. If A be an m by n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called the transpose of A. So we usually denote the transpose by A dash or A raised to T. Here an example is given. A matrix A is given. To obtain the transpose of A, we need to interchange the rows and column of A. That is, the first row of A becomes first column of A transpose. Second row of A becomes second column of A transpose. So this is the transpose of A. That is just rotating it. What are the properties of transpose of the matrices? So these four are some of the properties of transpose of the matrices. Let A and B be two matrices of suitable order. Then A transpose is same as A. That is, if a matrix A given, first we are taking the transpose of A. Then we will get A transpose. Then we again apply the transpose. Then we will get A transpose. The first property said that A transpose gives A. Second property, K into transpose. Ka into transpose is same as K into A transpose, where K is any constant. Third property, A plus B into A plus B transpose. That is, transpose of the matrix A plus B is same as transpose of A plus transpose of B. Last one, transpose of AB is same as B transpose into A transpose. That is, AB transpose is same as B transpose into A transpose. So you can select any A and B. That is, you can choose any matrix A and B of suitable order and apply these four properties. Then you can see that it satisfies all these four properties. Here is an example. Two matrices A and B are given. We need to verify whether these two properties hold or not. So first we need to check whether A transpose equal to A. The matrix A is given, then A transpose is first row becomes first column of A transpose. 3 root 3, 2. Here it becomes first column. Second row of A becomes second column of A. So this is transpose of A. Now again applying the transpose, that is A transpose. That is we are taking the transpose of this matrix. So A transpose is first row become first column 3, 4. Second row become second column. Third row become third column. Now look, A transpose and A both are same. So A transpose is same as A. Next, to verify the second property, we find A plus B. A and B have same order, so we can add A and B. A plus B becomes this. That is A, B. Now 3 plus 2, 5. Root 3 plus minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. Now taking the transpose of this A plus B. A plus B transpose. First column becomes, first row become first column. 5 root 3 minus 1, 4. Second row become second column. 5, 4, 4. So this is the transpose of A plus B. Now we need to find A transpose plus B transpose. So A transpose plus B transpose is, the matrix A is given, transpose of A. Row become column, second row become second column. Now B transpose, first row become first column, second row become second column. So A transpose plus B transpose. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Root 3 plus minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. This is A transpose plus B transpose. Now check A plus B transpose and A transpose plus B transpose. Whether these two matrices are same? Yes. That is, A plus B transpose is same as A transpose plus B transpose. Now, if you have any doubt in any of the problem, please mention that doubt in the comment section. We can discuss that in upcoming videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.